Hello, welcome back to my new logo design tutorials. This is my new logo design for my client. This is the brief. This logo will be for Royal Construction. The client wants. The overall design should convey a sense of luxury, strength, and stability, as well as professionalism and trustworthiness. So let's start the design. Before starting the design, I researched and sketched many ideas. This is the final sketch that is client selected. Align it to the center. Go to the opacity to 75%. Select the photo, go to the object and lock it. None the fill color, make the stoke color black. Go to line, make a line. And copy it by dragging and holding the Alt key. Select all and make another copy by dragging and holding the Alt key. Press Ctrl D 5 times. Select all and group them. Go to Edit, Copy and Paste in front. Rotate it 250 degrees. Right-click Transform to reflect and vertical hit Copy. Select this one and go to Edit, Copy and Paste in front. Rotate it 180 degrees. Select all and align them to the center. Select all and go to the Shape Builder and swipe the stock to fill the color. Make it very carefully. I'm doing it a little bit faster. Yes, this is okay. Now select all and ungroup it. Delete all lines. Go to Reflect tool and click here and make a copy. There is a small mistake. For fixing this, go to the Direct Selection tool and drag this anchor a little down. Go to Pathfinder and unite all. Now everything is good. Go to the object and unlock all. Delete this photo. Select it and go to Fill Color and pick the color navy blue. Now for the text. Here I'm using a lot of free font family. I'm doing few adjustments, so little bit fast. Yeah, that's awesome. Select this text and go to the pen tool to make an anchor. select the anchor by pressing the Alt key, and drag down. Select all and go to Shape Builder. Delete this and go to Pen tool to delete all anchors. Yeah, that's perfect. Select all and make a copy for the vertical one. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.